Today, we're going to build a Dalek using 5 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
The first thing we're going to do is get a 1x2 plate, and on top of that 1x2 plate, we're going to get a 1x2 by 2/3 slope piece and put it on top of the plate. And I'm using light bluish gray, but you can use red, blue, yellow, whatever color you want to make your Dalek. Just make sure that all the color pieces are uniform. Now after I put that slope piece on, I'm going to get this 1x1 plate with clip-on side and put it so that the clip is facing forward towards the slope. And then on top of that clip plate, I'm going to get a 1x1 round plate, put that on top. That's going to give our Dalek some height. And then on top of that round plate, I'm going to get one of those little joysticks, keeping my colors uniform, stick it on and put it so the joystick is facing forward. And there we have a micro Dalek. Exterminate! Exterminate!
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and you can click on the image to watch another video. Until next time, let's keep building together.